I am Miss Mona. How are you today? I miss you so much. I hope you are fine. Me and my sister bought a delicious pizza. I want to divide the pizza between me and my sister to two equal parts. My sister told me, okay, I can do it. She takes this part and she gave me this part. Does it look equal for you, primary one? Does it look fair? Of course not. She should divided the pizza like this. Take half and give me half of the pizza. To be able to divide anything we want, we need to learn fraction. When we learn fraction, we can divide anything we want to equal parts. Like this, we divided the circle to two equal parts. And here we divided to three equal parts. And square we divided to four equal parts. It must be equal parts. We can divide it anything we want to 5 equal parts, 2 equal parts, 8 equal parts, any number we want. Primary 1, you have to know that these circles here is called one whole. It's not fraction, it's one whole. Because we said before that fraction mean we divided two equal parts. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, or maybe more. So, fraction means that we took part of a whole. So, this circle is a whole, and fraction means that we took part of this whole. Like this circle here. It divided to two equal parts, and we colored one part. We colored one part. This fraction is called 1/2. It's called what, primary one? 1/2 or half. How can we write the fraction primary one? First, in the middle of the two numbers, we have dash. Second, count with me how many parts we divide the circle here. We divide it to two parts. Then we're gonna write under the dash 2. Let's count with me how many parts we colored here. We colored only one part. We're gonna write it above the dash. So this shape is called circle, and this fraction is called 1/2. How can we write 1/2? 1 dash 2. 1 dash 2. 1 because we colored only one part, dash between two numbers, and 2 because we divided the circle to two equal parts. So, fraction mean we took part from the whole. Like here, we took one part from the two parts. Can you tell me, this shape is called what? Triangle, excellent. Can you tell me this shape is half or not? Yes, it's half. Why? Because we color one part from the two parts, and because it's equal parts, so we gonna call it fraction, and we gonna say it half. Very good. So tell me, this shape is half? Of course not. Why? Because it's not equal parts. And this square, yes, it's half, because we divided to two equal parts, and because we colored one part from the two parts. So primary one, this shape is called circle, and we divided to how many parts? We divided to three parts. Very good. Is it equal or not equal? It's equal parts. Super. So it's called fraction. And here we colored only one part from the three parts. So this fraction is 1/3, because we colored only one part and we have three parts. Can anyone tell me how can we write third? We said between the numbers we put dash. Very good. We colored how many how many parts? One part, super. We're gonna write one above the line. We have how many parts? All of it. All of the parts. How many parts? Three. Very good. We're gonna write three under the line. So we're gonna write third like 1 dash 3. 1 dash 3. 1 because we colored only one part. Dash 3 because we divided to 3 equal parts. Now this shape is also a circle and we divide it also to 3 equal parts. Super. But here we shaded 2 parts from the 3 parts. Here we shaded or we colored 2 parts from the 3 parts. So this fraction is called 2/3 because we colored 2 parts from the 3 parts. So it's so easy now. Can you tell me how can we write fraction? First, the line. Super. Under the line we put what? The whole parts. We have 3 parts. Above the line we put what? We write what? 2 because we colored 2 from the 3 parts. And now we have another circle. We divided to 4 equal parts and we colored how many parts here, primary one? We colored 1 part from the 4 parts. So can anyone guess what is the name of this fraction? The name of this fraction is 1/4 because we colored only one part from the fourth part. Very good. This one, is it fourth? Yes, because we color only one part from the 4 parts. And this one also is fourth. And this one also is fourth because we colored only one part from the 4th part. So now can anyone guess how can we write the 4th? We said before we colored one part only, so we write 1. Under the 1 is what? Dash. Super. Under the dash 4 because we divided to 4 equal parts. So fourth, we can write fourth like what? 1 dash 4. 1 because we colored only one parts, dash between the two numbers, and 4 because we divided to 4 equal parts. Last, we're gonna solve with each other exercise about fraction. I want all of you to be ready. Open your eyes, open your mind, and say we are ready. Super, primary one. I will give each one of you 2 seconds to solve every fraction. The first fraction we have is what? Half. Very good. We take 1 part from 2 parts. We wrote 1 here because we took only 1 part. Dash 2. Very good. Who can tell me what is this fraction? You have 2 seconds. Very good. 1. We took only 1. We colored 1 fish here. Super. Over. How many fish we have? 4. Super. So the fraction is 1/4. And who can tell me what is this fraction? Excellent! It's not a fraction. Why? Because we divided the shape to not equal parts. Super! So it's not a fraction. Wow, we have here a nice circle. Who can tell me what's this fraction? 6. Very good. Over 8. Very good. Because we color here Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we wrote here 6 over dash. How many parts? All of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the fraction is 6 over 8 because we color 6 parts and all of the parts are 8s. Very good. Now, who can tell me what is this fraction? Think. We color how many parts and we have how many parts? Super. We color 2 parts and we have how many parts? Dash 5 parts. Super Brahmi one. The last one we have is so easy. I shaded here 1 part and I have 3 parts. Who can tell me what is this fraction? 1, very good, over 3. It's third. Very good. If you answer right the last exercise with me, so now you know everything about fraction. And that's all for today, Primary 1. Be awesome and good and smart as usual.